Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the database tool ConedaKOR for your own research. ConedaKOR is designed to store and cross-reference larger amounts of research data and media. The graph-based structure makes it easy to search and group your data and allows you to form relations between different entities to make your data more accessible. This video is part of a series that is designed to teach you the essentials on how to work with ConedaKOR. For further information and more detailed instructions, please consider also the text documentation we created in addition to the video tutorials. In this video, I will show you the installation on Windows, but you can find the instructions on how to install ConedaKOR on Linux and Mac OS in the text documentation. We are going to install Docker, which we will then use to download and run ConedaKOR. For this to work, you will need administrator rights on your computer. Although most of the steps are happening on the terminal, you don't need any prior experience with the terminal. If you are on Windows, make sure you have a recent enough version. Docker is a set of tools for running containers on your computer. What is a container? In short, it's a process that runs in an isolated way. It has restricted access to your computer and it can be removed without any trace if necessary. Docker containers, by default, only see the contents of an image. These images then contain everything the process needs to run, for example, system libraries, scripting languages, dictionaries, etc. It's not unusual to run several containers to provide a single application like ConedaKOR. In this video, we will show you how to install Docker for running ConedaKOR on your computer. On Windows and Mac OS, go to this website. You'll find the link in the documentation as well, and follow the instructions to install Docker Desktop for your operating system. As you can see, the installation can take a while. To be on the safe side, restart your computer after Docker has been installed. When you open Docker on your desktop now, it should look like this. To install ConedaKOR, you'll need to download the ConedaKOR source code because it contains configuration and setup instructions for the Docker containers. Go to our ConedaKOR GitHub. You'll find the exact address in the text documentation and click on Releases on the right side of the page. Once there, you'll find a section for the most recent version and click Source Code Zip. Extract the zip file so that there's a folder on your desktop called like the version you just downloaded. The name of the created file can vary from the one shown in the video depending on the download option. To run the containers, make sure your system is up to date. Again, I will show the steps on Windows, but you will be able to find the instructions for Mac OS and Linux in the text documentation. Click the Windows Start menu, type CMD and select Command Prompt to open a terminal. Then type cd desktop/core and then the version you downloaded and hit Enter. Again in your terminal, type docker-compose up and hit Enter again. The last command will likely take several minutes to finish. Once the terminal calms down and there's no more output, open your web browser and go to the URL you see on the screen. You should see the ConedaKOR user interface. To log in, use admin for both username and password. To stop all containers, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After a couple of seconds, all containers should have shut down. The data is not deleted and will be available when you start the containers next time. To remove the data, run docker-compose down-v. Now you should be able to run ConedaKOR on your own computer. Please take a look at the text documentation for more detailed information. Thank you for watching this ConedaKOR tutorial.